Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Region channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gigabyte GeForce RTX 5060 low profile graphics card with triple fan. So friend, the first low profile GPU in RTX family and the card simply called OC low profile is based on the GeForce RTX 5060 Nvidia's next generation entry-level GPU. According to Gigabyte, this model featured the full specification of the RTX 5060 and which include 3840 CUDA cores and 8 GB of GDDR7 memory across 8 128-bit memory bus. So friend, the card stand out its low profile design with triple fan design. Okay. The card stand out its low profile design with triple fan. Similar design were released during the RTX 40 series ERA and it's appeared the Gigabyte. It first to offer such a configuration for the new series, and the card has a 145 watt TDP, which is the official power configuration for the RTX 5060, and since this exceeds the 75 watt limit provided by the PCIe slot, and the card include a single 8-pin power connector. Remember, GPU with 6-pin power connector, it seems most brands have now standardized on 8-pin even when it's not strictly necessary. So friend, the RTA 5060 OC low profile comes with 2 IO bracket, one full size and low profile depending on the build requirement. Both configurations support for display output port 2 into DisplayPort 2.1, 1 into DisplayPort 1.4 and 1 into HDMI 2.1. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.